Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LAHO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping outward levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the green line there is coming from. And, that level still pertains. And in fact, it does a good job of kind of explaining the overall chart, which from a presentation standpoint after today's price movement is a little tricky to talk about. What do I mean by that? Well, if you're some sort of day trader, scalper, flipper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought right there, or you bought right there, and your plan was to buy and sell, within 20 minutes, well, then, yeah, from that point of view, the chart looks pretty rough. Now, if you care about the bigger picture of things, I get it. The price did pull back today, but from the grand scheme of it all, the price does still have plenty of opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. And as long as higher bases are being built, that is the name of the game. And that's also going to be, the point of view that I'm talking about. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you probably had more of a day trading or flipper type mentality going into this. And that's where this green line here comes into play, because I'm not saying this will occur, but let's say that the price actually does come back down here to that green line, behaves like that, and then works its way back upwards. Now, emphasis here on big picture. From the big picture perspective, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows there. You'd have lows right there. You'd have these lows down there if you envision each of those as stair steps. Well, there you go. You still have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. Again, I get it. If you are some sort of day trader flipper and you bought right there, then yeah, you don't care about these stair steps. But that's why I try to offer a warning that I would be commenting from the bigger picture point of view. So sure, today the price pulled back some from its highs, but stop and think about that word, today, as in 1 day. Looking at multiple days, which is what we're doing here, you can see the price still has plenty of opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.